Welcome back, friends. In the last video I have seen the introduction to the currencies and also the introduction for cryptocurrencies. In this video we will see the tech behind them, that is cryptography and blockchain, also the mining concept and the wallets. In the stock markets, for the initial release of the shares in the market, there is an IPO, that is initial public offering of the shares. So we will be paying the money for the application and we'll be getting the shares into our demat account, and then the shares are listed in the open market. So for the cryptocurrencies, there is an ICO, that is initial coin offering. So here we will be paying the money and we'll be receiving the cryptocurrencies or baby coins which have no value at present. So after purchasing that, the company behind the cryptocurrency will be making advertising and marketing strategies to launch the cryptocurrency in the open market. For the IPO, there is a document known as red herring prospectus, in which the details of the company, the shareholders, and the process, the operation of the company, where the money is coming from, and etc. All the details will be in the red herring prospectus. So for the ICO, here there is white paper document which mentions about the cryptocurrencies, also the tech behind the cryptocurrency and the blockchain network, the future vision of the currency, and their main strategy to be launching the cryptocurrency in the market. All these things will be in the white paper document. As we need the demat account to receive the shares of the IPO, in the same way we need a wallet to receive the cryptocurrencies. So we will be registering with the wallet owner and he will be giving us a wallet. In that they will give us two keys, one is public key and another one is private key. Public key is nothing but it is like a bank account number which we have for our bank accounts, and the private key is nothing but the proof that we are the owner of that public key. After the ICO, we will be receiving the cryptocurrencies in our wallet, and when the coins are released in the open market, we can trade them and we can sell or buy that currencies. We will be loading the actual currency, that is rupees or dollars, into that wallet for the exchange of the cryptocurrencies. So when we get the cryptocurrencies, if we wish to send it to our friend or some another people, we will be entering the public address given to their wallet and then we'll be sending the cryptocurrencies. This entire network is backed up by two technologies. One is cryptography and another one is blockchain technology. Cryptography is nothing but it generates a unique hash code with the use of a algorithm. Assume that Ethereum company has released only 100 coins in the market. So let us take that person 1 is having 2 Ethereum coins and person 2 is having 0 coins. Person 1 wants to send the coins to person 2. Both will be having their own respective wallets. So person 1 will be sending the Ethereum coins to person 2 with the help of his wallet by entering the public address of person 2. After entering the value, that is 2 coins, the transaction will be then sent it to the blockchain network. There this information is encrypted with the cryptography. The number of transactions which happened in the time period of 10 minutes or 15 minutes, the entire bunch of transactions are recorded in a data packet known as a block. These blocks combinedly form a network which is known as a blockchain, and the data inside the blockchain is totally encrypted and hashed with the help of cryptography. Let us take the example. Each block has 3 phases, that is phase 1 which is having a data. In this phase 1 there is an information stored, like the person 1 is giving 2 Ethereum coins to person 2. So the public address of both the person 1 and person 2 will be recorded in this phase, and the value of the transaction, the timestamp and etc. all this information will be under this phase. And the second block, there is a unique hash code which links the next block. In this hash code there is a information of total coins in the open market, that is 100 Ethereum coins in this example. And in the third phase, this is the hash of the previous block stating the same 100 coins but with the total information of the data, like how many transactions have happened in that time. Taking this as an example, here is a Bitcoin as a state transition system. So here are 3 blocks. The first one is state, the second one is transaction, and the third one is also again the state. Let us take this example as a banking transaction. Assuming these 3 blocks as a single block, these are the 3 phases 1, 2 and 3. The phase 1 will be having the details of the total Ethereum coins available in the market, and the phase 3 also the same, and the transaction info from where to where the coins are going, like the public addresses and the timestamp of the transactions. The entire data in this block is encrypted with cryptography, that is by giving a hash value. The hash value is nothing but it is a unique value which can be compared to QR code, which is unique in nature. So some people will be solving this hash code to decrypt the data and link the blocks with the another block to form a blockchain network so that all the transactions are recorded in a network. The person who do these calculations are known as miners. These miners solve the complex problems with the help of cryptography, and then they will be adding the blocks to the another block, combining a blockchain. So the main thing the miners do is the matching of the hash. They'll be matching the two phases, matching the third phase of the block to the second phase of the next block. This is the complex problem which they will encounter. So a group of miners will be doing this operation. If you take there are 10 miners, the probability to connect the block is out of 10 miners, 6 miners should be right to connect the chain of the block. For doing this task, they will be getting a reward in the form of cryptocurrencies. That is, it will be taken from our, like, person 1 is sending 2 Ethereum coins to person 2. So there is a small transaction fees out of the 2. This is how the transaction works. The block in the blockchain network is a combination of all the transactions happened within the span of 10 or 15 minutes. So for every 10 to 15 minutes, there will be emerging a block which will be linked to the next block. In this way, the transactions in the whole network will be recorded and be stored in the distributed database. As of now, with the generation of each new block in the Bitcoin blockchain, 6.5 Bitcoin is generating. For the Ethereum, each block is generating 5 Ethereum coins per the block. Likewise, there are different cryptocurrency generators for each block which varies to currency. So the miners are nothing but they are freelancer workers, and some of them are employees. They will be solving all the problems of the blockchain and they will be connecting the blocks of the blockchain network. This is how the transactions are all encrypted with the help of cryptography to maintain the protection of the cryptocurrencies, and to record the things the blockchain will be working along with cryptography. The public and private keys will be looking like this in the form of hash function. In the next video, I'll be telling about how the demand for the cryptocurrencies will rise and what are the applications of cryptocurrencies and what is the coin burning, airdrops and trading of the cryptocurrencies, etc. relating to the tradings. Thanks a lot guys for watching the video. Please do like the video, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Thanks a lot.